Hidden among the vines of Queensland's forests is a little-known bush food, scrambling lily. This hardy climbing plant produces tender edible shoots and small dark berries that have been used by Indigenous Australians for generations. It grows prolifically around where I live on the Sunshine Coast in Queensland, Australia. I find it all the time when I'm out walking in the subtropical rainforest, but also in people's gardens. I'm showing you the leaves, berries and flowers so that you can identify it correctly. I like to eat the younger shoots. They're super soft like butter lettuce and taste similar too. I simply snap them off and then unravel them to make sure there are no creepy crawlies hiding inside. They can be eaten raw or lightly cooked. I find them a great addition to stir fries or salads. Next time you're exploring Queensland's bushland, keep an eye out for the scrambling lily, a simple, sustainable bush tucker waiting to be enjoyed.